Hello friends, myself Vasant Kumar from Regrob.com, India's biggest real estate brokerage firm, and today we are going to visit Surakshaa Homes Fairview Villas. This project is located on Belathur Road, Kadugodi, and you can see around that this is a very nice residential area. And now we are heading inside the project. You can see the well constructed villas. These are ready to move in 3 and 4 BHK villas. On my left side it is a phase 1 and on right side is phase 2. You can see a lot of gardens and greenery in this project, and a lot of focus has been laid on this. This project is equipped with a lot of amenities, and now we are going to see some. You can see this is the kids play area. This is the open amphitheater. And this is the swimming pool area. This is the basketball court. Now we are going inside the 3 BHK villas. This is the living area, and adjacent to it is kitchen area. This is the basic utility area adjacent to living area and kitchen area. This is the first bedroom of the villa. Very spacious, very well built. This is the attached washroom. Now we are going upstairs. This is the second bedroom, and this is the attached washroom. Now we are going inside the third bedroom. This is the attached washroom. There is washroom attached with every bedroom in the villa. Now we are going to see the balcony, and you can see it is very wide. This is the puja room provided in the villa. Thank you friends for watching us. For more real estate updates, do subscribe us, and for more real estate bookings